Hi guys! Today I am going to tell you guys what I do to move my body. I guess you could call it an exercise routine, and this is one of the biggest requests I get from you guys is what do I do for my exercise routine? I really don't have one, and I will go months and months and months without exercising at all. Not because I want to, because I do have some physical issues. I was hit by a car in the back while I was walking, and I have had a lot of surgeries on my spine and my neck, shoulders, knee, my hips were broken, so I've had a lot of trauma to my body. And when I can, I move my body. I've definitely been slacking more than I should, and I know that I really have to push myself. Even if my body is hurting, I have to push myself to move because that will make your body stronger. And my back actually went out, I think it was a week or two ago, and it has not blown out like that in a long time. And I ended up using my TENS unit, which is nerve stimulation that helps with pain. I used my Alozin spray and ice and a lot of rest. I'll link all of this below for you guys. I've got all this stuff in my Amazon store that I'll talk about today with pain relief and for exercise. So I ended up having to go to the chiropractor because it got so bad, and I have not been to a chiropractor in years. And what he said was, you have to walk. You have to move your body, because I was just sitting too much. I do sit a lot for my job, doing YouTube and social media. I am on the computer a lot, so I'm sitting. He said, move your body, just keep moving. And it just really clicked with me that I've been having all of these physical things happen. When stuff starts happening to your body, it's like one thing after the other after the other. If you guys watch my videos, you will know that I broke my wrist, the radius bone right below my wrist, and look, look how white my hand is. It's so white because it's been in a cast, but I have just been taking off today the brace yesterday, and I slept without it for the first time. It's still, if you guys have ever broke a bone, it's still very sensitive, and I can't really lift anything heavy, but I'm so excited, you guys. It's moving! So that was the first thing that kind of triggered this cycle of kind of a physical scare for me, I guess you would say. First, I broke my wrist and actually found out that I got a blood clot here. So I broke my wrist here, and I have a blood clot here. So I'm now on blood thinners. Then I went in for a mammogram, and it came back. They found something, so I went back in. They did like 5 or 6 more scans. I was just keeping my mind really positive, and everything is fine. I just have to go back in 6 months. Then my tooth broke. My molar broke. So I was just like, all right, something is being told to me. I have to start focusing on my body more. I have to start moving my body more. So when I do exercise and when I do move my body, it's very simple things that I do. I just go kind of feel like what my body allows me to do. And usually it's always walking. I do have a treadmill, and I have an exercise bike, and I have the bands, the resistance bands. So those are the 3 main things that I use, and I'm gonna show you just the simple way that I'll exercise. I don't have any specific time frame that I do anything for. Sometimes I'll just literally get on the exercise bike for 2 minutes. Sometimes I can make it 15 minutes. Same thing with the treadmill. I'll walk, I'll use my weights, my little weights, Again, I'll link everything below for you guys in the description box. I will also pin it to the top comments so you can find everything more easily. So what else? So I have the little weights that I use to walk on the treadmill and the resistance bands. So I will show you what I do.
I really wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight, didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Slow it down, dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the while. You will make it in time. I never left a stone unturned, trying to find some love in this crazy world. I felt like I was never heard. All I wanted was to be loved. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. You will find a way. Slow it down, dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the while. You will make it in time. You'll make it in time. Time, 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 time. What makes it worth the while? You will make it in time. You will find a way. Slow it down, dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the while. You will make it in time. You'll make it in time. Time, time. You'll make it in time. Time, time. What makes it worth the while? You will make it in time. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Slow it down, dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the while. You will make it in time. I never left a stone unturned, trying to find some love in this crazy world. I felt like I was never heard. All I wanted was to be loved. What if
That is it. Very simple. I just really wanted to put this video out there. Hopefully I can inspire you guys. If you're dealing with any physical issues or you want to get in shape, I really feel that taking care of our body is so important. I definitely noticed that I was feeling off mentally because I wasn't moving my body enough, and like I said, I was having like issue after issue with my body, and I really feel like it tells us something when one thing after another happens to our body. It's telling us that we need to spend more time being good to our body with food and exercise. It's just so important. I do have a bunch of food videos, what I eat, on my channel, and I will link that down below for you guys. I do eat vegan, so most of the time I do indulge here and there, but really not much. Most of the time I eat really pretty clean and plant-based vegan food. If you guys have any ideas of videos that you want to see, please let me know. I feel like since this whole pandemic started, I just feel different. I feel like I want to make a difference in what I'm posting in my videos, but I'm almost afraid to put things out there. So I kind of want to feel you guys out. Please let me know what you're feeling. What do you guys want to see? What inspires you right now? What is going to help you guys right now? It would mean so much to me if I knew what you're looking for. I do have a lot of different content on my channel, from skincare to makeup to just real life chats. If you guys want me to do like a real life chat, please put your questions down below. It really helps guide me what you guys are interested in seeing. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos. You can also click the little bell next to the subscribe button to be notified of all of the videos that I upload. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Bye!